Hello there, how you doing? Been out paddling today and I've just got back and I thought, do you know what, I haven't tested out these two dry bags yet. Yep, these are dry bags or dry sacks. This one is by Webtex. Now I took one of these, a Webtex one, to Scotland. It says there, can you see that, military products, and the one I used in Scotland was the smaller one, 5 litres I think, and I used that for my snack bag when I did the Great Glen Canoe Trail. This one is by DD, as in the famous DD Hammocks. And yeah, I just thought, you know what, I'm going to try these out and see if waterproof test them and do a bit of a comparison. So the Webtex one has a bigger panel than the DD one, but when you look at those fabrics, I'm not kidding, they're more or less identical, and the build quality is pretty much on a par. Well, it is on a par. I can't actually see any discernible difference in these bits and pieces, in the fittings. So those are, well, that's the one on the Webtex and that's the one on the DD. It does look a little bit different. When you look on the interior, they're all nicely seam sealed and welded. The only difference here that I can see is the DD one seems to have a slightly wider seam. I very much doubt that's going to make an awful lot of difference, but yeah, that's it. The only other difference with this DD one is there is a little loop there and a loop there, because it does come with a carry strap if you want to sling it over your shoulder. Anyway, that's not the point of today's exercise. The point of today's exercise is to chuck a towel in them each and then dunk them and see if they let any water in. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. So I've given them each 3 rolls, so it's the same kind of test on both of them. Let's get them in the water. So I think what I'll do, I don't want to lose them, I haven't got them lashed to the bank, is not paddling yet. Let's see if we can get them well and truly dunked under. Oh, that one looks like it's letting air out, or is it just trapped air? Give them a good pushing about. I think it's fair to say they've been dunked. Right, now this is actually a bit interesting because I don't even need to open this one up to see that towel has got a bit wet. That one looks dry. Now let's get them out and have a look. I wonder if I folded that wrong. Might have to do a retest on this. So we'll do the Webtex first. Yeah, there is bit of water on here, so a bit did get in there. We saw the air bubbling out, but with the DD, other than a few drops that have run in from me opening it, that one's bone dry. There is actually no, there's no difference in the seal in the way that these. Alright, so there is actually. So that one's kind of, so the Webtex is kind of fabric at the top, whereas the DD isn't. I wonder if that's made a difference. So I'm going to dry this out with the damp towel. So I'm wondering if that's why this is so tall, because it needs more rolls at the top. So I'm going to put the dry towel in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That actually does make it now roughly the same size as the DD. Let's go and give it a dunk. Right, let's give it a good dunk. Oops, popped off. I think you could see there though, there was air bubbles coming up. Yeah. I could see air bubbles coming up from both sides of there. Let's give that another go. Yeah, I think you could see that. It's definitely letting a bit of water in somewhere. Well, it's letting water in here. So for me that was quite an interesting little test. The DD does seem to have the better seal and kept the towel drier. This one, the Webtex, let a bit of water in. So we would call this one water resistant and this one waterproof. That's the best choice. Good work, DD. Yeah, quite enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Put some links in the pinned comment and description. Cheers, you take care of yourself. Cheerio. Just got to get them dried out now.